Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sohaib Khan, CEO of Hazen.ai. We build video traffic sensing solutions. Now, do you know that every 24 seconds somebody dies in a road crash? That's equivalent to 15 airplane crashes every single day. This is a global problem. Every country in the world suffers from it. 1.35 million fatalities every year. 20 to 50 million non-fatal injuries. It's the number one cause of death in young adults. And countries lose 1 to 3% of their GDP in costs associated with road crashes. Now, what is technology doing about it? Traffic sensing technology is really lagging behind. Traffic sensing technology has limited features. These are radar and lidar devices which were invented in the 1960s through 1990s that are still being deployed on roads every day. They cover mostly speeding and red light offenses, but they do not do anything about a lot of other dangerous driving behaviors on the road. They are very, very expensive to deploy. A single intersection can cost up to $1 million to do red light enforcement. And because of this, they have seen very limited number of deployments so far, especially in low-income countries. Not only that, despite their expense, they have difficulty detecting slow-moving objects, pedestrians, cyclists, and suffer from reflections in tunnels. At Hazen.ai, we are building traffic sensing technology that works purely with video. What that means is that our software can connect to any camera video stream and detect traffic objects with more clarity and more resolution than these radar and lidar devices. Our software can be thought of as an event detection software. It works in real time at the edge near to the camera, and it picks up events of interest as they happen in the video stream. The software detects these events and transmits them over 4G through our API to any backend user interface. We support a lot of different types of cameras, so this is really plug and play technology, and also a lot of different types of processors. We support processors from NVIDIA, Intel, and Axis, so our customers have lots of options. Just a bit about our company. We are 4 co-founders who have background in academic research in computer vision and sensor networks with more than 150 publications to our credit. Our advisors are very prominent in the field, including former head of UK's road policing, who believe in our technology, and they are supporting the uptake of this technology. We are funded by Saudi Aramco and also by Falak, and we have been selected this year as part of 12 companies that are part of the first Sadaya's cohort for their accelerator program. We won the International Road Federation's Global Road Achievement Award last year, which is the largest industry body for road industry in the world, and we also won the Gulf Traffic's Product Innovation Award in 2018. We are partners with Axis, with NVIDIA, and with Intel. So what does our technology look like? It basically detects objects of interest in traffic in all sorts of camera views, lighting conditions, and viewing angles. This type of detection and sensing is not at all possible with radar and lidar devices, and it makes us very excited for the future of road safety. We can deal with very high traffic densities and clutter, different types of camera angles, different types of traffic conditions, motorbikes, pedestrians, tuk-tuks, buses, trucks, all sorts of vehicles, cycles are being detected. So based on this, the solutions that we provide include red light enforcement and turning violations enforcement in real time. We also have a module to detect whether the driver is wearing their seatbelt or whether they are using their mobile phone while driving, purely from video evidence. We are one of the first companies to launch speed enforcement from video feed itself. We also provide detection of pedestrians and bicycles. We also cover cases like parking, traffic management and adaptive control of red light traffic, the sensing needed for that, as well as automatic license plate recognition. Now, in terms of market size, the traffic enforcement market is about $2.2 billion estimated in 2020. The ALPR market is also a little bit more than that. These are the market which are based largely on radar and lidar devices. But the way we look at it is that this market has a massive untapped potential, because only about 0.01% of intersections in the world have any sort of traffic enforcement on them. And many countries have no radar or lidar devices deployed. So there is a need for low-cost solution. What is our business model? We work with local technology providers and solution integrators in every country, and we also work with camera manufacturers who are white labeling our software inside their cameras. Our software licensing model is that we license our software on a per camera basis, and then charge an annual maintenance fee on that. We offer flexible deployment options to our customers. Our customers can either buy some specific cameras from Axis, which come with our software embedded in them, or they can use their own generic cameras and install a processor next to them, or the software can even be deployed on premises or on the cloud. We have ongoing deployments right now in Finland, in UK, in UAE, as well as in New Zealand, and we completed some deployments in the US earlier this in the last year. We have so far deployed 90 cameras. The number of vehicles processed so far by our software is in excess of 20 million, and we have captured more than 2.5 million events from analyzing live video feeds. In terms of competition, we see some companies in this space, but they tackle either one problem or a few specific problems. The key distinguishing characteristic we have is that our software is very comprehensive to deal with all sorts of traffic use cases. It's plug and play, it's camera agnostic, it's a software only system, does not require any hardware sensors to be installed on the road, very high accuracy, very simple and low cost to install, just like installing a CCTV camera, which makes it very affordable, and it's privacy preserving because the software works at the edge. So our vision is a camera at every intersection which is smart, affordable, and comprehensive. Thank you.